Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, how much do you need to retire in Thailand? And I thought of making this video after reading a recent comment on one of our prior videos, quoting directly, please do a video discussing how much is reasonable as a nest egg to retire in Thailand. Many are trying to live on $2,000 a month. Okay, I'm not going to get into this amount works, that amount doesn't. That's not going to do anybody any good, and quite honestly, it's not good analysis. Let's go ahead and look at what the requirements are for just a standard O or OA retirement visa. You're looking at, you either need 800,000 baht in a bank account, or you need to show 65,000 baht per month going into a Thai bank account in order to justify both application and extension of either an O or an OA retirement visa. There's your baseline, 65,000 baht per month. It is about $2,000, yeah. It's possible to live in Thailand on 65,000 baht a month. No doubt about it, you know, especially a single retiree, probably not a big deal. Renting, paying, you know, in certain areas, probably not even 10,000 a month, but here in Bangkok, I mean, it's not going to be the biggest, most spacious, nicest apartment, but you'll probably be able to find something for 10, 15,000 baht a month to just rent. Again, it's not going to be the highest end thing. And then after that, you know, you got your living expenses. My major sort of thing that I would tell people to watch out for, my major tip, if you will, and maybe this isn't a tip, but just my thinking after watching this over the years is there is no real set amount. And the other thing is the folks that I've watched over the years that really have just ratcheted it down to like an exact amount of money, and then they, in their own resources, really have no more than that exact amount, whatever that exact amount is, oftentimes don't fare very, very well here. And I've seen a lot of folks that are in that position. It's sad. It's really sad to watch. And it's not fair either. I'm not saying I agree with this or I like this, but they oftentimes will find themselves in a situation where they can no longer maintain their standard of living. I saw this happen to a lot of British folks when the pound to baht exchange rate started going in a different direction to what they were used to. This is going back like about 10, 11 years ago. I saw it really in sort of writ large. A lot of British folks, the baht against the pound started moving, and those folks had budgeted based on pounds, and they had budgeted based on the costs in Thailand as they were at that moment. There's also inflation in Thailand on top of everything else. The thing to take away from this video, 2,000 bucks a month is not unrealistic, but at the same time, I really don't think it's wise for anybody to come into Thailand to retire or to do business and to just say, I can only spend exactly this every month, because that's just not how life works. You know, there's going to be unexpected things that come up. A lot of single guys also come here presuming they're going to stay single, and that often doesn't always happen. And when you take on a partner, you take on a significant other, take on a spouse, you know, that's going to immediately change your arithmetic as far as what you have to make it in Thailand. So what I would urge people to understand and what I would urge people to think about and take away from this video is, yeah, in theory, I think $2,000 a month will probably get you through. 65,000 baht a month. Yeah, you can do that. I think it's definitely doable on that. But you need to think out ahead 10 years from now. And do you think in 10 years that same amount of money is still going to do what it does today? That's hard to say. Again, what I would urge people to think about is not so much an exact amount of money, more as sort of one's lifestyle based on one's budget, and to kind of do that in such a way that's less focused on a specific number and sort of more focused on the big picture.